फहल मिम मुद्दकिर. So is there one to heed to the advice? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. From Dr. Shahnaz Naeem. Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers and listeners. In this lesson we will continue learning some more Arabic words started with Alif Lam. Let us start with our new lesson. Al-Qabaru, grave. At-Tilawatu, recitation. Al-Babu, door. Al-Mata'u, enjoyment. Al-Qiblatu, Qibla. As-Sariyu, fast. Al-Mu'mina, believer. Al-Bahru, sea. Al-Hasratu, regret. Al-Kufru, disbelief, infidelity. An-Nikahu, marriage. Al-Wasiyatu, will. Al-Naf'u, benefit. Al-Khalifatu, caliph. Al-Shariku, partner, polytheism. Al-Qitalu, fighting, killing. Thank you very much. Till my next lesson, please give permission to Dr. Shahnaz Naeem. Khuda Hafiz.